I have done in the previous week. Okay. The themes of point is the implementation of the integrated performance assessment IPA model to improve English student speaking skills. English language teaching focusing on productive skills speaking requires an operator assessment model to apply to the course British concept. APA models first interpretive text, reading and listening, to feedback, their interpersonal text, and presentation text. The research aim illustrated the extent to which the application of the IPM model can improve students' speaking skill in the Speaking for Discussion course. 1. Method. The method used in this research was classroom action research. It consists of 4 cycles: planning, implementation, observation, and reflection. 2. Planning. Activities carried out in the planning stage were developing learning strategies, preparing learning implementation plans, and preparing devices such as media, materials, and tools and observation instruments. And preparing APA sheets, instrument assessment sheets for interpretive, interpersonal, and presentational for each meeting, field notes, sheets, English test, and research schedule. 3. Implementation. Lorem ipsum dolor sit emen conceptual adipsitin elite pras labortis vestibulum conceptual non awes mod lectus eu vestibulum cursus eros justo tempus metus sea suscipi libero nip vitae. For observation, the research members act as collaborators, observe the continuity of learning. What was observed was not the teaching lecturer, but the learning activity that was the focus of observation. Collaborators as co-observers then recorded things that considered necessary during the learning process on the field note sheets. At this stage, the data collection process had begun. 5. Reflection. The research members act as collaborators, observing the continuity of the learning. What was observed was not the teaching lecture, but the learning activity that was the focus of observation. Collaborators as co-share observation as observer then recorded things that considered necessary during the learning. The field note sheet. At this stage, the data collection process had begun. Six findings. Overall, the use of IPA has contributed to students' achievement in speaking skill, especially in speaking for discussion class. Furthermore, students' performance in the speaking skill was at a good level, which can be seen from the average grade they hit, which was B+, meaning good. Specifically, the things are described in the following graphs to illustrate the extent to which the implementation of the APA models could improve students' skill in speaking for discussion class. From the findings in general, students make no considerably significant improvement from cycle to another. There are some parts that students are good at speaking, such as they show good skill, pronunciation, and vocabulary, mastery skill, but also there are some points that they need to improve, such as in terms of fluency, rules, and comprehension. However, in this part, there are three main points the researchers want to discuss. The conclusion is from the findings and discussion described above, it can be concluded that implementing this IPA model can improve students' speaking skill. In addition, there are also internal and external factors that play a role in determining the success of students in the speaking class. The squeeze of shame, lack of confidence, and the fear of doing wrong becomes internal factor student face. Furthermore, external factors such as internet access and device tool use and time constraints are other parts that contribute to their speaking performance. Thank you.